when I finally stopped running from my fears and asked myself one question, that's when everything changed. I want you to repeat after me. What's bigger, my dream or my fear? Ask yourself that. What's bigger right now, my dream or my fear? If you're saying your fear, then it's keynote is for you. And if you're saying my dream, and you have been already in the trenches, and you're still saying your dream is bigger than your fear, then yes. Say it again. We all need to say it. Even the ones that believes that the fear is our winner. Head held high and say this. Repeat after me. My dream is bigger. My dream is, I had to face that fear that said I wasn't enough.